Hi there, today we are going to make veg pizza. So let's begin. I have taken 1 cup of warm water. It should be lukewarm so that you can immerse your finger in it. To this, I will add 2 tablespoons of sugar and 1.5 tablespoon yeast. Let's mix this. And we'll leave this for 15 minutes so that it raises. Mix it well. Let's leave it for about 15 minutes, or the time you see it should be raised. I have taken maida, which is 2.5 cup. To this I will add some salt to taste. And the mixture here of yeast, sugar and warm water, you can see how nicely the foam has come up. We will add this mixture to the maida. Let's mix the salt into it. I'm digging a hole. I will add the entire content of yeast mixture into this. We will mix this and knead it in the simple way how we knead any dough. We need to knead it in this way. So this is done. So now we'll add some olive oil, approximately about 2 tablespoons. Just bring everything together. As you put oil, it automatically brings everything together and you will get a very smooth dough. This is done. Now grease both your hands with some olive oil and just wrap the dough. I'm just folding it inside. If you can see with my fingers, I'm just folding and pushing the dough inside. Well, now I've placed it in it. Take a bit olive oil and just tap around the dough. Now let's close this and wrap it up. I'm using a cling sheet to cover it up. Now let's let it rest for about 2 hours, or you feel that it has doubled in size. Okay, so you can see it has raised so much. It has in fact doubled, more than doubled in size. Now let's open it. This is the best part that I like in the dough. It just shrinks down now. I'll just grease my hand a bit. Let's mix the dough again. Our dough is completely ready to bake the pizza. Now I'll take a tray in which I'll be making pizza. Let's grease it. Let's just grease the corners nicely. Now we will take some portion of the dough . We have taken some portion of the dough, just spread it nicely to all the corners. It is going to bounce back, so you need to keep pressing this. Push it with your fingers like that. This is going to raise, so do not take much quantity of the dough. Take it in moderate quantity. See, this is how it is. Push it nicely to the corner so that when it raises, you get a nice boundary around your pizza. Try to make it even as much as you can. If you think you have taken too much of the dough, you can take it out and keep it back and use it again for the next pizza. Okay, so once you have done this, take a fork, make such holes roughly to the entire dough that you have spread. Now we will add pizza sauce. take it as per your quantity, as how much you need, how saucy you need the pizza to be. You can take and spread it at the base of the pizza. I'm going to make fully loaded pizza with mushrooms, onions, baby corns and paneer. So I'm going to take little bit more of the sauce. Alright. To this I'm going to add diced cheese. I'm taking a combination of cheddar and mozzarella. Mozzarella is a must. Okay, so you will get that nice stretchy cheese pizza feeling when you have it. I am using this at the base before I add any vegetables, because it will, once it melts, when the heating is on, when it melts, it will hold all the vegetables nicely. We can also top it with cheese, which I'm going to do it later. Now it's time to add the vegetables. I'll start with onions, which I have sliced. You can cut it in any shape that you want, rings or dices. After onions, I'm going to add baby corn. Roughly I'm going to place it. See that when you place these vegetables, so you see that it is you know, when you eat it, you get it in every. Now it's time for mushroom. Spread it the way you want it. Again, I would like to say that you can use vegetables of your choice. If you don't like mushrooms or baby corn, use anything that you like. You can also make a non-veg pizza by chicken chops. I'm just pressing it inside. Now I'm adding jalapenos, which will give me the nice spice flavor. Now I'm going to top it with diced paneer. Olives, now I'll top it with oregano. Now I'm going to again drizzle some cheese, which is again the combination of cheddar and mozzarella. That's it. Now let's take this to bake. Now the beauty of this is you can take the same tray to oven, or you can also bake this in cooker. So if you are baking it in oven, preheat the oven at 180 degrees Celsius and bake it for 15 minutes. You can check it if you are not confident on the timing. Prick a fork into it and you can understand if it is cooked or no. Also, cooking it in a cooker, you can straight away take it in a cooker, and without adding any water at the base, keep a stand under the tray and bake it in the cooker without whistle for 20 minutes. So guys, pizza is ready. So guys, I have taken it out from the mold, and you can see how nicely the bread has raised, and the toppings you can see is looking really delicious. Well, enjoy it with your friends, and this is the beauty of making pizza at home with your own choice of topping, with overloaded cheese and the way you like it. Enjoy. If you like, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.